Okay, so the screen protector I chose was called a Tozo. I bought this off of Amazon quite simply because it was fairly cheap, it had a few good reviews, and it seems to have or comes with a fairly easy to install system. So let's open up the packaging and see what we have inside. So yeah, has a security seal on it, which I'll cut through in a second, and it also appears to have one of those scratch to check authenticity panels, but not too worried about that. Usual sort of information on the back, bits of details, QR code, Facebook, YouTube, etc. So this is supposed to have a light transmission rate of 99%, oilophobic coating, so hopefully shouldn't retain fingerprints too much. Tempered glass, obviously, and should prevent screen bursting effectively. So, well, obviously it's a screen protector, so hopefully help prevent scratches. If I do drop it, give that extra layer of protection around the screen shattering. Okay, let's break the seal. So actually, although there appears to be a seal there, this actually appears also to be a secured and sealed packaging. So it appears you need to undo it from the top or bottom. Within the packaging I get screen protector accessories, 3 packs of them, so I presume that is the cleaning pad, drying pad and applicators. A card for a 1-year warranty, and follow us on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. And then in here we have the screen protectors, so I have 1, 2, 3 of them, and the applicator. Guide will fit over the phone, and then with the actual protectors, please peel off this mask before application. So this is the back of it and this is the front. I'm guessing it's something like that. So as long as I match up this cutout with the cutout at the top, it should go on okay. So I can't actually see any instructions. There may be something in one of these. No, there is some writing inside there. So, yes. So what I can see is there appears to be some writing on what looks like the instruction inside this box. So not the greatest of packaging, as once I rip this open, I have to be very careful, as I can quite clearly see that the grip is going into the... Yep, so I can clearly see that we're trying to pull this off, it's also ripping the inside of the box. And I don't want to do that because it has the instructions on it. And just ripped it, as you can see. So this is definitely not the greatest box design. They could have made this much better, much more easier to undo without having to do this. But by the looks of it, it does give you some basic instructions inside the box. If I can focus on it quickly, as you can see, it's ripped it up nicely, trying to open the box. Clean the screen, lay it down precisely, I guess lay down the red guide, press screen from center part to edge and squeeze out any residue bubbles. Not the greatest of instructions, but to be fair, putting a screen protector on shouldn't be that complicated. So next thing to do is, as I do with all my screen protectors, turn the shower on for 5 minutes, take it to the bathroom and then put it on in there. The reason I do that is quite simply, once you've turned the shower on, obviously creates humidity. Humidity takes the dust out of the air. Once the dust's out of the air, it's less likely to settle on the phone, on the screen. So when you put your screen protector on, there is less likely to get any dust particles caught in there. It's not 100% guaranteed, but for most of the time I found it more effective than doing it in an ordinary environment. So off to the bathroom. Okay, so I've had the shower running and it's now nice and humid in here, which hopefully should mean all the dust particles are now out of the air and I should have a fairly clean environment to put the screen protector on. Okay, so the first thing I do is undo the pack, which contains alcohol prep wipe guide stickers and the final lint-free cleaning wiping cloth. Okay, so now let's peel off the initial screen protector. So although there shouldn't be any dust on it now, I'm still going to clean over the screen with the alcohol wipe. So if there is any oils or any contaminants on it, it should hopefully clean it off for the screen protector to adhere to. What I probably should have done, down there, give it a bit of protection. Right, now just to dry. So now I need to put the guide on, which you just clip over. And if I grab two of the stickers, I'm just gonna put one at the top and then one at the bottom. Give me two areas to hold onto. And then I will peel Okay, I'm going to move it a little bit closer to me. Just want to move it up a little bit. And that appears. It looks like that's a fairly good placement, but only time will tell. So now, just needs to smooth it into place. So just pushing out all of the air bubbles. There's one up there which I will look at later, and one there. Appears to be some there. Okay, let's take the sticks off. Right, now, hopefully this will just come off. So, in general, it looks like it's gone on fairly okay. There is something at the top, which I might be able to push out, and down the side, and bottom, just along here. So to be fair, all in all, that wasn't too bad. If I can push them out. Although I have noticed that the edge of the screen protector is very close to the camera, so I'll see how that affects the front facing camera. I do have one last blemish or bubble there. That could be a bit of dust. It's unfortunately just got caught. That's right on the edge, which isn't a problem for looking at it, but might be a problem for pulling the screen protector up at some point. But all in all, to be fair, that looks like it's gone on well, and looks like it's gone on fairly straight. Okay, so overall, my final review of the Tozo screen protector based on its initial application is okay. Unboxing wasn't great. They could make that a whole lot easier, a whole lot more user-friendly. Packaging was okay, I guess. It come with 3 protectors, which is good. So if you do mess up your first one, you've got a chance of another one, or if one breaks at some point, then you can replace it. And obviously with 3 protectors, you get the 3 accessory packs as well, which contain the alcohol cleaning cloth, the screen wipe, and the stickers to put on, which I think, to be fair, probably didn't necessarily need the stickers that much compared to how I do it normally, as the guide did seem to help. I felt a bit apprehensive to start off using it, but I think that's just because it's the first time I used the guide. I'm used to doing it just freestyle, just trying to line up. So yeah, that did help. That wasn't fantastic, but it was good. All in all, as hopefully you can see, I now have appeared to have got rid of all the air bubbles from inside it, so they have come out well. So I'm pleased with that. it has gone on straight, so no doubt this guide did help. Yeah, so actually I'm pleased I got that. It's a lot quicker than the previous ones I've done, where I'm spending the time trying to guide it, trying to make it straight and flush with the phone or the iPad. Where this did take a lot of that guesswork out of it. It was kind of put it in, just let it go and just be happy with it. The only thing I'm a little bit unsure with at the moment is if the top is too close, or the curvature of the glass screen protector is too close for the front camera, and whether that will affect it or not. But once I get the phone up and running, I'll find out. Okay, so I'm going to do my best to try and show you, but obviously it's going to be quite difficult with reflections. But hopefully you can see that that screen protector has gone on fairly straight. Well, it's lined up with the earpiece quite well, so that is good. But like I was saying, the only thing I'm not sure about is whether the edge of the screen protector is going to interfere with the camera at all. But I'll find that out once it's on. But all in all, hopefully you can see and agree, if I can focus, that it's gone on fairly straight. Right, it's time to set up my phone. Okay, so if you made it all the way through, thanks for watching. It's much appreciated. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Obviously, I'm trying to reach the magic 1,000 on subscribers. So any subscribers will be much appreciated and returned. So if you like it, please leave a comment, let me know. Or also leave a comment if you think there's any ways I can improve. But thanks for watching.